carries the best FX programming, like blockbuster movies and critically acclaimed originals, such as Damages and Nip Tuck. You can find FX on demand on Comcast Digital Cable. Thousands of movies and shows ready to watch when you are.
Say hi. 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 Hi, fat girl. Oh, no? Say hi, fat girl. Aww.
Until it takes a turn and no one expected it, which is hard for a lot of people to believe. Wow, that's it. It was the ultimate betrayal. She got murdered for a vain
Say hi, fat girl. I miss you.
men's club in Charlotte, North Carolina, could occasionally get a little raucous. But the employees were trained to handle those situations. 26-year-old Kim Medlin worked there as a waitress. The money was good. She knew how to handle people. She could defuse the situation very quickly. She was beautiful, but she was smart about it.
Hey, Poopy.
Her husband.
Late
Yeah,
one
husband.
night, as Kim drove home from work, she encountered a road rage incident with an angry motorist. They stopped, asked her to come close to the time, whatever, things like that. Kim was afraid these men followed her from work, so she went to the police for help. She was very shook up. It took a while for the police officer to calm her down. Also told me that, hey, I travel this road these nights, and I'm along here about this time. The captain placed a radio broadcast to the other officers that were working on this shift to be on the lookout for this red Jeep.